Hey guys, guess what? It's Cheryl. How are you? Happy Friday. I hope you have a great weekend. Do you know that only 52% of agents across the United States do open houses? Did you know that? And we're off to a really fast start. And a lot of agents are getting a lot of business from their open houses, both buyers and sellers. So I just wanted to give a last call for the open house class next Tuesday afternoon at the North Hills office. We're going to be accomplishing two things. We're going to be talking about Real Vitalize, Listing Concierge, Prospect Square, Exclusive Look, and how to use those tools to drive people to your open houses, how to use those tools to convert appointments into actual listings. And I just want to make sure that if you don't have anything to do on Tuesday, or if your business is not off to the quick start that you were hoping, go to Sales Pro, register for the workshop. It promises to be a great time. Going to have a lot of fun, cover a lot of information, and it's important that we're all up to speed with all these things that are going to help us with our business this year. So I hope you have a fabulous weekend. I hope you enjoy yourselves, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.